Hey, travel lovers, if you're dreaming of your next getaway, I've got a place that'll steal your heart. Manchester. Yes, you heard that right. Manchester isn't just about football and industry. It's a city bursting with charm, culture, and some seriously beautiful spots. First up, the architecture. Strolling through the city centre, you can't miss the stunning Manchester Town Hall with its neo-Gothic vibes. And don't even get me started on the John Rylands Library. It's like stepping into a scene from Harry Potter. Now, let's talk food. Manchester's got a booming food scene. From the trendy Northern Quarter with its quirky cafes and street food, to high-end dining at the Ivy Spinning Fields, your taste buds are in for a treat. And for you, culture vultures, Manchester's got you covered. The Whitworth Art Gallery and Manchester Museum are must-visits. Plus, the music scene here is legendary. Catch a gig at the iconic Albert Hall or the buzzing O2 Ritz and feel the city's energy come alive. Nature lovers, don't worry, I haven't forgotten you. Beetham Park is a green oasis where you can unwind and connect with nature. And if you're up for a short drive, the stunning Peak District is just around the corner. Perfect for hiking and breathtaking views. And finally, the people. Manchester folks are known for their warmth and friendliness. Strike up a chat in a local pub and you might just make a friend for life. So there you have it. Manchester is a city that blends history, culture and modern vibes effortlessly. It's a place that'll steal your heart and leave you wanting more. Ready to pack your bags? Manchester's calling. See you there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel adventures. Cheers!